She don't know I got some big, big plans. Build a little house out on some hand-me-down land. Find a little island where we go to get sand. Bet we take our kids down there one day. And I know she wouldn't mind if I did a little something like find a flight overnight to paradise and leave tonight. And I'ma put a diamond on her hand. She don't know I got some big, big plans. She don't know. She don't know. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play Big, Big Plans by Chris Lane. It is a great song. It's very, very easy to play. The strumming pattern will be the hardest part, but it's only got 3 chords and it's in standard tuning, no capo, so that's all great. So, real quick self-promotion before we get into that. Shameless self-plug. So, if you like this video, if you enjoy it, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when I come out with new videos and new tutorials. All right, so enough of that, let's get into it. Again, as I mentioned, no capo, standard tuning, and there's only 3 chords, and they are the same order the entire time. I'm going to show you a couple of different strumming pattern possibilities that you can do on it. All right, so the only chords are G, and then E minor, and then C. Okay. And that's it. So in that order, same order the whole time. So there's a couple different ways you can play it. If you want to do the easiest way, probably it's just going to be down, down, up. This is during the verses. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so it's G. G you do twice, and then E minor once, and then C. There you go, G. So that's probably like the easiest way to play it. So it's just look at her sitting there, sweatpants, t-shirt, and a comfy chair. Her hair in a bun, one hand on a mug, and the other one's playing snare. I think I'm doing that a little bit fast, but so try and do it with the song. It'll help you get it on like the right timing. But so you can play it that way, where it's. Or you can do it another way that's like a little bit more intermediate, but I still think you can do it. It's going to be, so you'll just hit the top string, the E string. Okay, so you're just going to hit the E string and then strum. And you don't need to hit every string, but you just go. So like maybe the top 3 or 4 strings. And then you'll go to E minor and then C. Now on C, you're not hitting the E string, you're hitting the A string. So on G, you hit the E string first and then strum, and then E minor you do the same thing. But then on C, it's the A string and then strum. Okay, just like that. So you can do that, and then probably the most advanced way, even though it's not that advanced, but because this whole song is pretty easy, is to palm mute it. So palm muting, I think if you've watched my other videos, you know, but you put this part of your hand as low as you can on the strings as possible. Have them just be right in front of that white bridge. So you go, so you hit the same plucking as the second one I told you, where you hit the E string first. So you hit it twice, and then you go open. So same thing on the E minor, so you hit the E string, and then C you'll hit the A string. Look at her sitting there, sweatpants, t-shirt, and a comfy chair. Her hair in a bun, one hand on a mug, and the other one's playing snare. Okay, so you can do it like that too. So if it's easiest for you, then you can just do. Let's just down, down, up, down, down, up. All right, so if that's the easiest one, just do that. Now when you get to the chorus. So right before the chorus, you won't do, the way that you'll do it is you'll just hit, then you'll go, she don't know I got some big, big plans. Build a little house out on some hand-me-down land. Find a little island where we go to get sand. Bet we take our kids down there one day. And I know she wouldn't mind if I. So the way that you're doing that, can you hear how similar it is? Because you're still going down, down, up. You go down, down, up, and then you just go up. So like that, you're just going up and up, down after that. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, so you're still starting it, the same way. It's just that you're adding a little bit more to it because the song kind of builds. And then the bridge is actually the same way. So it still is just the, let's see, so I'm trying to think of how the words go. So the words are, let me just look it up real quick here. So it's a, here I go, cause right now, oh that's right, so it's not quite the same strumming, so here I go, cause right now we're back in her hometown, and I'm down on one knee. I guess she finally figured out I'm gonna ask her to marry me. Okay, so the timing of it's the same, it's just you're only doing one strum, so it's, well here I go, cause right now we're back in her hometown. So on hometown you do E minor, and I'm down on C. C is you're down on one knee. On one knee. I guess she finally figured out. So then it's right after figured out, it's E minor. I'm gonna ask her to marry me. So on C it's marry. C, she's gonna marry you, kind of a thing. So, and then you go, she don't know I got some big, big plans. Build a little house out on some hand-me-down land. Find a little island where we go to get tan. So that's how the song goes. It's a really easy song chord-wise. The hardest part is just going to be the strumming, but I know that you can do it because I give you like 3 different options as to way you can do it. If you're having a hard time, just do the simplest one. Just do that if you're having a hard time with it. And like I said, just always just listen to it like really closely. Now that you've watched this, listen to the song, and it'll be a lot easier. Also, I'll have the chords in the description of the video so you can see them. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or if there's any other songs that you'd like me to teach you, yeah, or anything like that. So just let me know, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks.